Hello, my name is Dalia Salazar, and this is the second part of the video that me and my partner Jessica Cruz did, and we are talking about nail rust. This is the pictures that we took. Those are the materials we use. We use some vegetable oil, salt, Sprite, Coke, and water. And here are the nails before the experiment and after the experiment. And here we are labeling the cups, and we have all the materials before and all the materials after the experiment. And here are the results. Here you guys can see the nails. And here we have the raw data, and you guys can see that we use Sprite, Coca-Cola, vegetable oil, water, salt. And you can see the Sprite on the first day was shiny, no rust. The Coca-Cola was the same way, shiny, no rust. The vegetable oil the same way, water, and the salt, they were all shiny and no rust for the first day. On the second day, the Sprite was dark green, gray rough. The Coca-Cola was the same way. The vegetable oil was shiny, no rust. Water was shiny and no rust. And salt was the same way, shiny, no rust. On the third day, we can see changes. From the Sprite, we had 85 to 90% covered gray rust. And Coca-Cola was 90% covered in gray rust. Vegetable oil was still the same, no rust at all. Water was dull, no rust. And salt was darker in gray rough. On the last day, the Sprite was black gray rust over all the nail. The Coca-Cola had the most rust covered all in black. And the vegetable oil was the same, no rust at all. And the water was dull, no rust. And the salt was darker in gray rough. Here are the data tables. We can see the same results that I just told you guys, and just in an easy way for you guys can see it with the tables. The conclusion of our experiment was, from all the iron nails, the ones that changed the most were the ones inside the Sprite and the Coke. The rest had a little bit of change. The results depend on the amount of sugar and the acid in each substance, also the time that the iron nails were inside each substance. Our hypothesis was proven with the Coke. The iron nail that was inside the Coke was the most rusting from all, and the hypothesis fell with the salt water. The one that was inside of it was just a little rusting. We believe that the results depended greatly on the time that the nails were inside of each substance. Maybe if the time had been more, the results would have been different. The application in everyday life, we can apply this experiment in our daily life because the study of corrosion is extremely important, and it kept people employed for a lot of years. Everything we do on a daily basis has somehow been affected by the study of the corrosion, from the car you get into to go to school, to the internal computer parts that are on the systems, to the water you drink, to the school building itself. All these things have to be protected from corrosion. Our future study, to continue the experiment, investigate how the surface of the iron affects rusting, will be a good idea. Also look at the smooth nails, a scratch nail, and a paint nail will make a difference in the results. Another idea to continue the experiment will be investigate the corrosion of other metals, and a last option will be make the same experiment, but now with rusty nails, to see the positive side of the experiment. Here you can see us, Jessica and myself, taking picture with the board. And this is it. Thank you.